It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes.
Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. Look what I got. Isn't this just amazing? Okay, you guys, let's talk about Shapermint for a minute. I love this company. If you haven't gotten gifts for a holiday yet, I definitely recommend it. It's the perfect gift for you and your friends. I mean, I love it because it gives a lot of support. Shapewear, bras, leggings, you name it. So I'm going to give you my favorite, and hopefully you'll like them too, and you'll be able to enjoy them for the holidays. So the black leggings are the first ones. They fit really snug, very comfortable. They hide like unwanted rolls, and they really accentuate the curves that I already have. So I really love the black. Also, when you stretch, like, you know, sometimes when you're curvier it's see-through, but it's definitely not see-through here. Yay! The next pair of leggings, also a 3X. Very, very comfortable, super stretchy. It has a plastic grip on the inside. Well, I'm not sure if it's plastic, but the grip on the inside allows it to not roll down, which is really important to me because I have a much smaller waist. So most shapewear tend to roll down, but with Shapermint it doesn't, which is something I really appreciate and really, really love. Also, as you can see here, the olive green color goes for any season, even right now during Christmas, and it can go with anything. As you can see, I'm lifting up to show you that plastic part that I was telling you about, high-waisted. I mean, it's perfect. You can't get any better than this. Like, I really love this, you guys. I'm crazy about it. Now we have the gray. As you can see there, they all have that part where it kind of helps it to not roll down. Super stretchy, not see-through again. This one I got a bigger size just to see the difference, but I think for my body type, the 3X works really, really well. Also, these have like bestsellers. I checked them out and they have amazing reviews, so check it out. Really check it out, you guys. This is the bra. I wanted to see how it worked on me because my busts are really big. What I really like is that it came with a bra extender, which is really important because if you start to shrink a little bit, you can use that to kind of recoup your bra. I did put a bra under just for YouTube purposes, but it fit well. These were the tights. They actually stretched a little bit too thin and they were see-through, so I can't show you that portion of the video, but I just kind of want to show you how it looks on my hand. And lastly, I think my top favorite, I mean, I tried it under a dress, I tried it under pants. I mean, it's perfect. It's great shapewear. I would definitely wear these. They're super comfortable and it feels good. To my next video, besos!
It's not that I don't